Hi everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have an iPhone 7 and we're going to show you how to do a master reset. So in this case you want to go to Settings, then you want to go to General, and you want to go all the way down to the bottom and there's Reset. And under Reset you have a number of options including resetting the keyboards and the network settings, etc. The top two ones are the most important. This one is actually not the most drastic, it's actually this one. So this one just resets all the settings and options. This one erases all the data. So this is like the factory data reset. So you want to make sure that you get these right. In this case, there's a number of steps we have to do because it's irreversible. So let's show you how to do that. So click on it first. If you have data on here that hasn't finished uploading to iCloud, it'll give you a warning. In this case, we don't care because we're going to erase it. So we click on Erase Now. You have to put your passcode in. It'll give you a warning and says, this will delete all media and data and reset all settings. You click on Erase iPhone, it actually warns you again. Are you sure you want to continue? All media, data, and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. And you have to specifically click Erase iPhone. And then you still have to put in your Apple ID. So once that's in, just hit Erase. And there we go. So this takes a few minutes. So when it reboots, it'll go to that first select language screen that you saw when you first got the phone straight from the factory. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider checking out our other how-to videos for the iPhone 7 and many other popular phones here on HowTechs. Thanks and bye. Okay, so one more thing. Let's just try out the pen just for fun. So as soon as you take it out, it seems to know.